The next step in our snatch is to start introducing that drop underneath the bar. We do this in a movement called our power snatch, which means landing in a partial squat. This is essentially where we start stringing together the first, the second pull, the turnover, and then the drop underneath the bar. When you drop underneath the bar, you need to make sure you keep those arms fully extended and keep your core switched on and lock out your legs nice and powerfully as you drop underneath that bar. You should first attempt this from your hang position, which is just above the knee, turning overhead into that catch. As you drop, it is normal for your feet to come outward slightly from that starting position. Rather than seeing the drop as a jump up and then a landing, try and think about it as a quick extension through the hips and then a slide out of the feet in that moment of weightlessness created by that extension of the hips. Once you've nailed your hang power snatch, you can try a full power snatch. This means going from the bottom of your snatch setup position all the way through the first and second pull, the turnover, and then you're going to repeat that partial drop and lockout that you did in the hang power snatch. This means that even though you are dropping under the bar, you are still catching above parallel just to get used to that first part of the movement, pulling from the floor. It's super important that now that you're pulling from the floor, you don't rush the first and second pull of the movement, as that's where the power is coming from.